तो बहुत बहुत स्वागत है आपका आपके और हमारे अपने चैनल टेक्नो हेल्प विद शहादत में। तो टाइपिंग प्रैक्टिस लेसन 1 में आप सभी का स्वागत है गाइस। इस वीडियो में जो भी कमी हो, क्योंकि मैं पहली बार बना रहा हूँ ऐसा वीडियो, अगर कोई भी कमी हो तो आप लोग बता सकते हो, जैसे कि समझ में नहीं आ रहा है या फिर ज़्यादा फास्ट है स्लो, तो आप लोग यूट्यूब के मोर ऑप्शन से कर सकते हो। या फिर और भी कोई भी कमी हो, जैसे कि मैं थोड़ा ज़्यादा फास्ट कर रहा हूँ, स्पेलिंग ये कर रहा हूँ या कुछ भी हो, ठीक है, क्योंकि मैं विद स्पेलिंग बना रहा हूँ, क्योंकि बहुत सारे ब्लाइंडों को आप जानते हैं कि प्रॉब्लम है स्पेलिंग का, है ना। तो चलिए अब टाइपिंग शुरू करते हैं बिना किसी नॉइज़ के।
1 ONCE upon UPON A time, comma, in A far FAR dash off kingdom KINGDOM comma there BHERE lived LIVED A young YOUNG Prince PRINCE named Alexander ALEXANDER dot Alexander ALEXANDER was WAS the only ONLY child CHILD of the king AING and queen QUEEN and had HAD everything EVERYTHING he could COULD ever EVER want WANT dot he had HAD a grand GRAND palace PALACE to live LIVE in comma servants SERVANTS to attend ATTEND to his HIS every EVERY need NEED comma and AND the best BEST education EDUCATION that THAT money MONEY could COULD buy dot but despite the DESPITE all ALL of this comma Alexander ALEXANDER was not content CONTENT dot he felt FELT that there the THERE was something SOMETHING missing MISSING from FROM his life LIFE comma something SOMETHING that he could not quite QUITE put his finger FINGER on dot one day comma while WHILE wondering WANDERING in the palace PALACE gardens GARDENS comma Alexander ALEXANDER stumbled STUMBLED, upon, UPON, an, old, OOLD, comma, dilapidated, DILAPIDATED, building, BUILDING, dot, it, was, hidden, HIDDEN, away, AWAY, in, a, corner, CORNER, of, the, gardens, GARDENS, comma, and, he, had, never, NEVER, noticed, NOTICED, it, before, BEFORE, dot, curiosity, CURIOSITY, getting, GETTING, the, better, BETTER, of, OF, him, HIM, comma, Alexander, ALEXANDER, decided, the DECIDED, to, explore, EXPLORE, the, building, BUILDING, dot, as, he, walked, WALKED, through, THROUGH, the, dusty, DUSTY, rooms, ROOMS, comma, he, came, CAME, across, ACROSS, an, old, OLD, typewriter, TYPEWRITER, dot, he, had, HAD, never, NEVER, seen, SEEN, one, before, BEFORE, comma, but, he, was, fascinated, FASCINATED, by, it, dot, he, sat, SAT, down, DOWN, at, the, typewriter, TYPEWRITER, and, began, BEGAN, to, type, comma, just, JUST, for, the, fun, FUN, of, it, dot, but, as, he, typed, comma, he, realized, REALIZED, that, he, had, a, natural, NATURAL, talent, TALENT, for, it, dot, the, words, WORDS, flowed, FLOWED, from, FROM, his, HIS, fingers, FINGERS, effortlessly, EFFORTLESSLY, comma, and, he, found, FOUND, himself, HIMSELF. Lost. LOST. In the world. He was creating. CREATING. Dot. Line feed. From that day on, comma, Alexander, ALEXANDER, spent, SPENT, all, ALL, his, HIS, spare, SPARE, time, TIME, in the old, OOLD, building, BUILDING, comma, typing, TYPING, away, AWAY, at the typewriter, TYPEWRITER, dot, he wrote, WROTE, stories, STORIES, of adventure, ADVENTURE, comma, romance, ROMANCE, comma, and mystery, MYSTERY, comma, and he poured, POURED, his heart, HEART, and soul, SOUL, into, INTO, each, EEACH, and AND, every, EVERY, one, dot, his, HIS, stories, STORIES, were, WERE, so, good, GOOD, that, he decided, the DECIDED, to share, SHARE, them, THEM, with the world, dot, he had them, that THEM, published, PUBLISHED, in the local, LOCAL, newspaper, NEWSPAPER, comma, and soon, SOON, they were the talk, TALK, of the kingdom, KINGDOM, dot, people, PEOPLE, would, WOULD, eagerly, EAGERLY, await, AWAIT, each, EACH, new, NEW, stallment, and INSTALLMENT, and Alexander, ALEXANDER, became, BECAME, a celebrity, CELEBRITY, overnight, OOVERNIGHT, dot, line fee, despite, the DESPITE, his newfound, N-E-W-F-O-U-N-D, fame, F-A-M-E, comma, Alexander, Alexander, remained, R-E-M-A-I-N-E-D, humble, H-U-M-B-L-E, dot, he, continued, C-O-N-T-I-N-U-E-D, 2, right, W-R-I-T-E, comma, pouring, P-O-U-R-I-N-G, his, heart, H-E-A-R-T, and, soul, S-O-U-L, into, I-N-T-O, each, E-E-A-C-H, new, N-E-W, story, S-T-O-R-Y, dot, his, stories, S-T-O-R-I-E-S, were, W-E-R-E, not, just, entertaining, N-E-N-T-E-R-T-A-I-N-I-N-G, comma, but, they, also, A-L-S-O, had, H-A-D, profound, P-R-O-F-O-U-N-D, impact, I-M-P-A-C-T, on, O-N, people, P-P-E-O-P-L-E, dot, they, T-H-E-Y, inspired, I-N-S-P-I-R-E-D, them, T-H-E-M, to, be, brave, B-R-A-V-E, comma, to, follow, F-O-L-L-O, there, T-H-E-I-R, dreams, D-R-E-A-M-S, comma, and, to, never, N-E-V-E-R, give, G-I-V-E, up, U-P, dot, line feed 1, day, comma, while, W-H-I-L-E, sitting, S-I-T-T-I-N-G, in, the, palace, P-A-L-A-C-E, gardens, G-A-R-D-E-N-S, comma, Alexander, A-L-E-X-A-N-D-E-R, overheard, O-O-V-E-R-H-E-A-R-D, some, S-O-M-E, courtiers, C-O-U-R-T-I-E-R-S, talking, T-A-L-K-I-N-G, about, A-B-O-U-T, an, A-N, upcoming, U-P-C-O-M-I-N-G, writing, W-R-I-T-I-N-G, competition, C-O-M-P-E-T-I-T-I-O-N, dot, the, winner, with W-I-N-N-E-R, would, W-O-U-L-D, receive, R-E-C-E-I-V-E, a, substantial, S-U-B-S-T-A-N-T-I-A-L, prize, P-R-I-Z-E, comma, as, well, W-E-L-L, as, the, opportunity, O-P-P-O-R-T-U-N-I-T-Y, to, have, H-A-V-E, there, work, W-O-R-K, published, P-U-B-L-I-S-H-E-D, by, the, most, prestigious, prestigious, publisher, publisher, in the land, land, dot, Alexander, knew that he had to enter enter the competition, competition, dot, he worked, worked, tirelessly, tirelessly, on his entry, entry, comma, pouring, pouring, all, his creativity, creativity, and passion, passion, into, into, it, dot, line feed, the day of the competition, competition, arrived, arrived, comma, and Alexander, Alexander, nervously, nervously, presented, presented, his, entry, entry, to the judges, judges, dot, they were amazed, amazed, by the quality, quality, of his work, and declared, declared, him the winner, with winner, dot, Alexander, Alexander, was overjoyed, 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 dot, he had never felt, felt, so alive, alive, dot, the judges, judges, praised, praised, his writing, comma, saying, saying, that it was some, some, of the best they had ever, ever, seen, sen, dot, they asked, asked, him, him, if he had ever, ever, considered, considered, writing, writing, novel, novel, dot, Alexander, Alexander, had not, comma, but he was intrigued by intrigued, and intrigued, by, the, idea, idea, dot, line C, so, comma, he, set, set, to, work, on, his, first, novel, novel, comma, and, it, was, a, huge, huge, success, success, dot, his, writing, had, matured, matured, comma, and, his, his, storytelling, storytelling, skills, skills, had, had, only, only, gotten, gotten, better, better, dot, his, his, novels, novels, were, were, not, just, just, popular, popular, comma, but, they, were, changing, changing, people tickets, people tickets, lives, lives, dot, they, inspired, and inspired, them, that them, to, be, better, better, comma, to, strive, strive, for, for, more, more, comma, and, to, never, give, up, on, their, dreams, dreams, dot, line feed, Alexander, Alexander, went, went, on, on, to, become, one, of, the, greatest, greatest, writers, writers, of, all, time, dot, his, stories, were, read, by, people, 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 all, over, over, the, world, world, comma, and, he, was, hailed, hailed, as, a, literary, literary, genius, genius, dot, but, despite, the despite, all, of, his, success, 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 comma, he, never, forgot, the, old, old, building, building, where, where, he, had, discovered, The discovered. Page 2 is. Page 1 page 2 is. HIS. Passion. PASSION. 4. FOR. Writing. Dot. He. Visited. VISITED. It. Often. Comma. Sometimes. Even. EVEN. Sleeping. SLEEPING. There. THERE. When. WHEN. He. Needed. NEEDED. Inspiration. INSPIRATION. Dot. Line feed. Alexander. ALEXANDER. Went. WENT. On. 2. Become. One. Of. The. Greatest. GREATEST. Writers. WRITERS. Of. OF. All. Time. Dot. His. Stories. STORIES. Were. Read. By. People. All. Over. The. World. Comma. And he. Was. Hailed. As. A. Literary. Genius.
गाइस जो स्टोरी अभी आपने टाइप किया है वो डिस्क्रिप्शन में भी है, तो आप लोग अपने स्टोरी को रीचेक कर सकते हो।